He's not doing fireworks. All right.
You want to do the parachute for the last one?
No. You can do a sprinkler.
Oh, do this parachute. Watch this parachute. You can do a parachute?
You can do a sprinkler.
What's a sprinkler?
I mean a sparkler.
I can do a roll my candle?
No. A sparkler.
Uh-oh.
Okay, what? Do it, Patty. Just go down one more time.
Hey, that was pretty good.
Ooh, that this.
Ryan, what'd you think about that?
Oh, that's sweet.
Sweet? Give me a thumbs up. Down? That was fantastic.
Watch
How
this
much did that
Patty.
one cost?
Watch this one. Watch the parachute. There it is. There it is. Look at that parachute.
Wow. Is Ryan going to go get it?